Okay, so I'm going to show you my birdies. My birdies. Just so you know, I love my birds. That's why I might seem a little obsessed. So, that is Einstein, right there. And then that is, where are you, Anya? Wait, that's Anya back there, if you can see her. All the way down there. See her? There we go. Anya. These are my parakeets. I love them very much. They're a pain in the ass and never stop talking because, well, they're birds. Um, I got Enya last week, that one, and I got that one a couple days ago, like a month ago maybe. Um, as you can tell, they are very active birds, and they don't ever stop. See, that's them eating. Because, everybody wants to see how a bird eats. Say hello, guys. See? Yeah, so those are my birds. My very, very, very cute birds. That's about it. Yeah. That is it. But thank you for watching my birds. One more time. Birdies. Birdies. Oh, by the way, my mom's cat comes down here sometimes and tries to jump on top of the cage. Always fun. And this one, when I got it, I thought it was a male. And then I found out he is a she. And Einstein, the blue one right there, who just flew, is a boy. So hopefully I don't end up with lots of little baby parakeets, because that would suck. Okay. Well, I guess I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching my birdies.